Hello everyone. Today we are going to make our first project with Cricut. We are going to make the name label for our laptops. So let's start. Let's open the software Cricut Design Space and click New Project. Now it will open the canvas and then from the left hand toolbar click on text. Measure the laptop how much height and width you want for yours. I'm going to have approximately 8 by 3. Now in the text box type your name. Either it can be your first name or your last name, or you can type both. I'm going to write my first name. Now select the text and you can change the fonts, font size and style. Pick the fonts, those are free. Now once you are done designing your name, save the file. After saving, click Make It. Now select material 12 by 12 and click Continue. It will ask to connect the machine. In the next video, we will learn how to work with the Cricut machine.